Hey, what's up guys? This is DTJ reminding you to like, subscribe, and shop to support the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Today I will be talking about how to get rid of stubborn mold and fungus in your bathroom or washroom in Japan. It can accumulate quite quickly and discreetly, and before you know it, you can have a situation like this. Now, there is a product called a Kabi Killer or Mold Killer. It's a spray type and it foams up, and it is great for regular shower room cleanings, but for situations like this where the mold accumulates on a rubber trim or in some tight spot, that spray can be very ineffective. And in fact, it was when I tried to use it. So I was ready to just replace the entire door because I was tired of looking at it. That was until I came across this bad mammer jammer. This is Kabi Killer Pro. This is the first time I ever used this stuff because this is the first time I ever had to deal with this type of stubborn scum. After going on vacation and coming back, we had this monster to deal with. But this Kabi Killer Pro is extremely effective because it is very strong, so do not attempt to apply this without gloves. This is an acidic gel that can and will leave your hands tingling, and you don't want that. I'm using these kitchen gloves I found, and they work just fine. I would even go as far as to say wear mechanic gloves when you're using this. So I applied it, and I'm going to let it sit and eat up the mold for 15 minutes, then come back. Caution, you must ventilate when using this product. Open up a window, and if you're cleaning in the washroom, put the fan on suction because this stuff smells, and high doses can give you heart palpitations and lightheadedness. That's the trade-off. I'm going to use a sponge for the most part, and then a Q-tip for the tiny cracks. I actually found some more mold while taking care of this, so I'm going to apply some in between the base of the tub and the top. I'll get in there with a cotton swab later. Yeah, I don't want to be looking at this stuff. It makes me feel icky. I'm a clean freak, and I don't want any of my friends to come over and see this, or my family members to have to see it for that matter. This is the product you need to get rid of this, and that's how you deal with that. That is Kabi Killer Pro. You can get it at the DIY store. If you want This Cabin Killer Pro costs 1,200 yen a bottle, about $9 US. Very strong. Use gloves and ventilate. This took me an hour to clean the door and in between the tub, mainly because I was letting it sit for 15 minutes in between applications. This is my recommendation to anyone dealing with this issue. Okay? Use it. Use it wisely though. I'm DTJ. Like, subscribe, and shop. See you in the next one. DT out.